AI is taking over everything, from writing emails, analyzing data, to making recommendations. But no matter how advanced AI gets, there are few things that it just can't do. And these exact things are what will set you apart in an AI driven world. So today, let's talk about the 5 soft skills that AI cannot replace and how you can develop them to future proof your career. Number 1, critical thinking. Because AI gives the answers, but you need to ask the right questions first. AI is amazing at processing information and giving out the results, but AI doesn't think for you. It just gives you an output based on the data it has. That's where critical thinking comes in. It's about questioning AI generated insights, challenging assumptions, spotting biases, and then taking a rational decision rather than just taking what the algorithm suggests on the face value. Let's say you are a business strategist using AI for market analysis. AI might tell you that a certain product is trending, but can you trust it? You might be looking for information like, where's the data coming from? How is that data collected? That's where your critical thinking comes in. So, the next question you might be thinking is, how do you develop this skill? So, here are my 3 recommendations for you to develop critical thinking. Number 1, question AI generated results instead of just accepting them. Number 2, use decision making frameworks. Keep asking the why till you get to the root of the answer. And number 3, understand different perspectives. Read, debate, analyze different viewpoints. All right, next, skill number 2, emotional intelligence. Because AI doesn't feel, but you do. Ever had a conversation with a chatbot? It is smart, but you know that it's not human. That's because AI doesn't have emotions. Although it can mimic human interaction, it actually doesn't feel anything. And in a world where AI is handling more and more work, emotional intelligence is your superpower. So, what is emotional intelligence? It's about understanding people, managing emotions, and building strong relationships. Now, imagine you are a team leader. AI might help you track performance, but in cases when your team is feeling demotivated or they are burnt out, do you think an algorithm is going to fix that? No. And that's where your emotional intelligence comes in to support, encourage, and lead with empathy. All right, so how do you build this skill? Here are my 3 tips. Number 1, practice active listening. Actually, hear what people are trying to say rather than just waiting for your turn to speak. Number 2, work on self awareness. Understand how your emotions impact your decisions. And number 3 is empathy. Put yourself in others' shoes before reacting. All right, let's go to our next soft skill, that is creativity. Because AI can help, but it can't innovate like you. AI is great at generating ideas, writing copy, and even making music. But it's not creating in the same way we humans do. While AI can certainly remix existing ideas, but true creativity comes from you. And the way I think of creativity is about making unexpected connections, thinking outside the box, and innovating beyond what AI can predict. Think about the marketing director. AI can generate ad headlines, but can it generate an emotionally powerful brand story that resonates with customers? Not likely. And that's where human creativity wins. All right, so how do you boost creativity? Number 1, try creative problem solving exercises to push yourself to think differently. Number 2, use AI as your brainstorming partner, but obviously don't let it do all the work. And number 3, expose yourself to diverse industries because great ideas come from unexpected places. Next, all right, so it's time for soft skill number 4, and that is adaptability because the world is changing fast. AI is evolving at lightning speed. New tools, new workflows, new ways of doing things. It's a lot. But the people who thrive in an AI driven world like today are the ones who adapt fast. Adaptability isn't just about learning new tools, it's about embracing change, staying curious, and being open to constantly learning. Let's say you are a financial analyst. Your company switches to an AI powered forecasting system overnight. Do you resist it, complain, and struggle to keep up with it? Or do you dive in, learn how to use it, and stay ahead of the curve? That choice makes all the difference. And how do you develop adaptability? Number 1, adopt a growth mindset where you see change as an opportunity, not a threat. Number 2, stay updated on AI trends and new technologies in your industry. And number 3, get comfortable with uncertainty. Practice learning new tools and workflows regularly. And now is the time for the last soft skill that I want to share with you today, and that is leadership. Because AI can analyze, but only you can inspire. AI can crunch numbers, it can make recommendations, but leadership, that's a pure human skill. Some people think of leadership as just passing orders, but it is about inspiring people, making tough decisions, and bringing out the best from your team. A CEO leading digital transformation in their company can't just rely on AI to make decisions. They need to take their team together, communicate the vision, and drive innovation because people they don't follow algorithms, they follow leaders. All right, so how do you strengthen your leadership skills? Number one, learn persuasive storytelling because leaders inspire through compelling narrative. Number two, practice decision making in uncertain situations. AI can't replace human judgment. And number three, mentor others because great leaders help others succeed too. All right, so that was it for today. AI can automate a lot of things, but these are the skills that will future proof your career. So, which one do you think is the most important? Drop a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful, hit on that subscribe button to know more about AI, business, and leadership. I'll see you in the next one.